Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.43 on Rocky Linux 9. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Hit enter, then click on downloads, then click on MySQL community downloads, then select the MySQL community server, then select the version 8.0.43. It is the latest version. If you are unable to find the version, you have to click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select the operating system. Select RHLR Oracle Linux. Then select the OS version. See here we have the Oracle Linux 9, RHL9 or Oracle Linux 9. Select it. See, once we selected it, populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be download and install. But instead of downloading each package, just download this RPM bundle. So click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 1 gigabyte. It will take time. I am going to pause this video. Once download completes, then we will enter the star file and we will install MySQL Server 8.0.43 on Rocky Linux 9. Okay, this will take time. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.0.43 tar file. We have to untar it. tar-xf, then MySQL, then press the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages. We have to install them. Sudo rpm -ivh no deps star.rpm. This command will install all RPM packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we are installing MySQL Server 8.0.43. See here we have successfully installed. Ctrl L. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL d. See, MySQL Server is stopped. So start it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL d. Now verify the status. See, MySQL Server is active and running. Quit. Now connect to MySQL Server. But to connect to MySQL Server, we must have the password of any MySQL user account. So we can get the MySQL user temporary password by going to more/var log, then mysqld.log, then grep password. Hit enter. We have to run this with sudo. Hit enter. See, we got a temporary password is generated for root account. So this is the password. This is not same for you. Okay. So to set permanent password, we have to run the command sudo mysql_secure_ installation. Hit enter. Copy it and paste it. Hit enter. Now set the password for root account. Confirm the same. Hit enter. Again it is asking, do you want to change the password? No. Remove anonymous user, type S. Is it no? Remove test database, yes. Reload privileges, yes. Everything done, all done. Okay, we have successfully set the password for root account. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL-u root-p. Then provide the password that we have set now. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.0.43. We can also verify the version by running select version. See, we got the same. Okay, see, this and this both are same. Now it will list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create database. See, database is created. Now switch to this database and create a table. We have to use the keyword use. Then provide the name of the database. Now create a table in this database. See, we have created table customer in this database. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, now we will create user. Before creating user, let us verify the list of the users. So users, this won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. So create user. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the same. See, here we have created user David. Okay, Control L. Now we will connect to MySQL server with this user. So exit from the current session. MySQL -u, new username is David -p. Then provide the password that we have set for this user. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have logged in with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. Use, then provide the name of the database. See, access denied for user David to database back, because we have created user but you haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay, now exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart MySQL server 8.0.43 on Rocky Linux 9.6. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL d. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. It is stopped. Verify the status. See, MySQL server is stopped, inactive or dead. Okay, see here, we took it. We can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL d. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is started. Okay, until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. We can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or DBOR. Those are the most popular tools. If you want to download and install, go to mysql.com. Also go to DBOR official website, that is dbor.io. Okay, go to MySQL, then go to downloads again, then come down and click on MySQL community downloads. Then see, here we have the MySQL Workbench. Click on it. Then we have to select the operating system version. Then we have to download this RPM package. Okay, this is the way to download and install RPM packages for the MySQL Workbench. Then DBOR. See, here we have the DBOR community and DBOR Pro. DBOR community is open source, so click on download. Then we have to download this Linux RPM package for the Rocky Linux. Okay, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Rocky Linux and connect to MySQL server. Okay, ls these files are not required anymore because we have successfully installed MySQL server. rm star.rpm. This command will delete all RPM packages from the current directory. Ls we have one more file, remove it. See, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install MySQL server 8.0.43 on Rocky Linux 9 versions. Okay, for more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.